I have had an ongoing problem with noise being generated by the connections on the transformer out at the street on my utilities. So I called the utility company today and I just did a quick recording right before they came. The technician came and tightened up some connections, and I noticed an immediate improvement on the static that was on the lines.
Bravo Tango Alpha, is that Roger? Okay, Luis, good afternoon to you. The name is Fernando. Hablo español si prefieres, and you got a great signal. You're 5 by 9, over. Okay, Luis, good afternoon to you. The name is Fernando. Hablo español si prefieres, and you got a great signal. You're 5 by 9, over. So it was definitely worth the trouble to call the utility company and have them come out and check it out. They came out the same day and corrected the problem, and they said they're going to send a professional group out to listen a little more with their gear to see if they can improve it even better. So if I get an additional response from them, I'll let you know.